think it's about what, 6:30 in the AM on a Sunday. Coming down to the finish line for this water tank. I got the fresh water tank installed. I actually have the cutout pieces here for 1/2-inch water inlet valve, also an inch and a half, or inch, yeah, it's 1.5 inch connection for the overflow. Everything, fits in nice and snug. I had to actually cut into the cabinet, also into the wall, to get the offset that I need. So when you sit there and dump that off, sorry, it's a little fuzzy here. But everything fits in flawless, as it should. Then what I'm gonna do next, install the shut off valve here, and also install water pump, which will then connect. Of course, that might work out. The 1/2 inch water valve will then go down here into that valve that's here. So they will then connect. Of course, this will 90 up. 90 up into this 1/2 inch line, which is good that that it offsets in there, because then it allows that spring pad here for vibrations to dampen out the actual vibrations. Then what I have to do is actually drill through this aluminum next. So that's the next project, to install the water inlet valve. And so that's the same connection that I just showed you from before, with the 1/2 inch water line and the overflow. And everything will just be set up here from the outside. Looking at it from a perspective, that's how it should be going in. So the actual there's an actual screw up here. I actually went with a plastic supply company, but these are the schematics that I drew up by hand for both the freshwater tank there and also the gray water tank. These are the schematics for it that I drew up. And it's good that this was actually supposed to be 26 inches high. That's not focusing. It's 26 inches high here, but the actual tank is 23, and it's good that it is 23, because these holes here that I drew up here, actually for the connectors for the switch and the actual outlet that this water pump is going to actually go into, actually works out perfect here. So it's good that it was a good screw up in my behalf. But again, I have to just get the money back for the extra 3 inches and some square footage that I'm missing from this. Everything fits in right, looks good, as it should. And then I have to move on to the gray water tank. Gray water tank is pretty big. That's where I'm at right now. Everything's coming to a close. Hopefully, I hope in another week I'll be done. So I'm gonna jump right into it. And I guess while I'm working 10-12 hours on this, I want y'all to continue what we call the good life. All right, man, it's Kirsty signing off.